Well, hi everybody. Welcome. We're here at Nothing's Left Brewery here in Tulsa, and we are here checking out not only the amazing brewery that I heard of online, but we're here to check out a food truck that's super famous that's coming by for a visit today. What may you ask is that? Pretty simple. We're checking out the Southern Fried Vegan food truck. And as you guys can tell, we're just lofting around, enjoying some music, and just kicking back until they're done setting up. But we're probably going to check in, get a couple shots, maybe some 5-ounce drinks, and, kind of just enjoy the day. So, loft around, swing by, put your feet up on this very special edition of That's Some Good Eats, Brewery, and Food Truck Edition. Stick around, everybody. We'll be back. Ah, yes. Nothing's Left Brewery. Fun little place, but very cozy and soft-spoken little place. I got here earlier in the day, before the event basically had a chance to really start. But one of the things was I got in, the atmosphere was really nice and cozy, really just tucked away. The service was nice, the people there are nice. I liked the decor, I liked a lot of the places to just swing by and let the summer day just drift away. Perfect little hangout spot if you want to hide out in a hole to get a drink or two. But we weren't just here for the brews. We're here for Southern Fried Vegan as well, the famous food truck that's apparently from California, and I'm here to get my eats on. So, we had to start off with a drink first, before everything got started. It's called the Crescent Moon, and I got a sticker to boot with it too, and a nice glass. So, we're here to sip away the summer days, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next segment. Well, hey everybody, we're kind of just lofting around and hanging out here at, well, the only place that's left in the multiverse because, to be quite frank, nothing else is left. And so, we might as well be at the most appropriate place, entitled Nothing's Left, in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're here for the Southern Fried Barbecue Vegan food truck, but we're also here because a lot of people recommended this brewery and told me it was pretty good. So, and we're starting off with a pretty good drink that sounded really good to start off with. We got the Crescent Moon, which is a light but kind of easy pseudo like lager. It's brewed with like a Cascade and like a Simcoe and hops. So, it's pretty interesting, and so I wanted to start off with something a little bit on the lighter side. So, get a little drinking done. But I love the little 5-ounce shot glass. It's really cool. So, with that in mind, cheers.
As long as I'm not doing.
Oh, yeah. That tastes really good and goes down really smooth. I like that. It's not overpowering with like the different flavors in the hops, and it's brewed just perfectly. So, but fear not, we're gonna loft around, kick back, relax. Food truck isn't even open yet, so hang out, enjoy the brisk day, and we'll see you back for more of this That's Some Good Eats content. We'll be back. The drink was absolutely amazing. And the best part is, we had time because they had to still set up the food truck. So, we got to sit back, relax, and enjoy ourselves on a nice little swing, and just chill. See you later. Well, hey everybody. We're still here at Nothing's Left Brewery Co. And we're just vibing to some good music. Still sitting on a swing. We got done with our first shot, and we're waiting until the food truck opens, actually a little later, at about 5:30, just because they're still trying to get some prep and some work done. So, but it makes sense. It's going to be some good food, so it's worth the wait. But even though it's almost 5 o'clock, you can tell that there's already quite a bit of a crowd, or at least the people are coming by. We're all hanging out, just kind of vibing, and that's a good vibe. It's good to have a vibe like that, and on such a beautiful, clear sky day, especially after it got done raining and like windy and everything too recently. So, but yeah, we're kind of just vibing and hanging out. They're still setting up, like I say, quite a bit, but that crescent moon shot was really good, so I can't complain about that. But yeah, other than that, we're just chilling, hanging out for the most part, just kind of lofting around. So, but we'll be back. Hopefully we will get in line for the food. We'll get some good food. I'll get you some, good food pics and little taste tests in this Dad Some Good Eats special. And we'll even do some more shots later too. So, see you later. I found this completely funny, by the way. Swing at your own risk. If you fall on your ass while drinking, that's on you. I hope they got some good Instagram shots. But with that in mind, we got up, the line started forming, and we were getting ready to get our grub on. There were people already coming in by the droves. So, let's cut back to the line live and see just how things went. Well, hey everybody, we're here, and they just started the line, and they just opened it up. And so we're here at, the line. So, and I'm drinking some water just because, the pre-start with everything. But yeah, line has officially opened up, and the little tent that they have / food truck is all set up right there. So, we're gonna wait in line for a little bit. Line's not too long. Since it just started, the line kind of stretches just kind of barely around the corner. Say hi, everybody, to YouTube. There you go. So yeah, we're just kind of waiting in line and just kind of hanging out. So, and then, yeah, we're just chilling. So, and then say hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hello. There you go. So, with that in mind, we'll be back. We'll let you know how the food is. And we even had time to take a selfie or two with the crowd. It was a fun line. Everybody was energetic, excited, and ready to have some good eats. But after waiting in line for quite some time, we managed to snag some photos of what's on the menu. And let me tell ya, it looked delicious. One of the biggest things that we wound up getting was 2 items. We got obviously the Holy Smokes dinner, which was the big boy. But the main interesting thing that I wanted to get was the firecracker. It's a fried chicken sandwich dipped in fire sauce, topped with nacho cheese, and Bahum Ranch. Yeah, it actually looked really good. Well, at least the insides of the sandwich were good. I couldn't eat the pickles, so I had to scrape off the pickles. But everything else on the actual fried chicken piece, the sauce, the coleslaw, and everything else, and nacho cheese looked amazing. The bread, however, could have been better. I did also get some extra collard greens with it too. So, you're about to find out why I say the way I say here in just a sec. Well, hi everybody. We finally got our food. And I ordered 2 different plates that they had from the food truck. But let me tell you, I really hope this food is good because this was a $50 bill. So let's hope that it's pretty good. But with that in mind, we're going to start this in two different segments. Part one, the firecracker sandwich with extra greens. So this thing looks monstrous. Like, look at this thing. It is a big piece of fried, quote-unquote, chicken with greens with a pickle, spicy slaw, and battered in delicious cheeses and sauce, and fire sauce. All with extra greens, of course. So, we're going to remove the little flag, and we're going to get our utensils out real quick. Just so you guys see me. Boom. Don't really need that salt and pepper, but you never know. Got our utensils. We got our food. Food looks absolutely phenomenal. And with that in mind, let's dig into this sandwich. My God, oh my Lord, oh my, okay. It is falling apart already. That's, they really laid it on the sauce. Oh yeah. That bread soaked up way too much of the sauce already. That's not a good sign. But regardless, let's try this thing. Let's see how monstrous this thing is. If I can get a good grip on it. Alright, here we go. Oh, nope. Really not a good grip. I guess I'll have to do an end bite. There we go. Alright, here we go. Big bite. No. That's an absolute sin. Why is there so much bread? That is way too much damn bread. Like, for real. No, like, guys, that's so much bread, and it just fell apart right away. Like, no. Here, I'll have to actually just do this. I hate to pick this apart, but I want to get a bite of the actual chicken. So, here. Let's try this again. With the actual chicken this time. As soon as everything decides to fly away. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Actual chicken this time. Alright. Now that I ate the actual sauce, the pickles, the slaw, the chicken, it's all really good. But too much sauce, too much bread. Bread needs to be a lot thinner. Like, that is not a good call, guys. So, but we're not here to just eat that. Let's get some greens action. Let's see how the greens are. Alright, cheers. Okay. Those are some good collard greens. Not gonna lie. That is actually some good collard greens. I really do like that. But man, really disappointed with just too much bread. This has the potential to be really good if they just swapped out different bread, wasn't too doughy, and there's unfortunately just too much sauce. But other than that, it's pretty good. We'll be back with part 2 with another meal. We'll see you guys here in a little bit for that. Welcome back, everybody. We're here still at Nothing's Left Brewery, waiting and hanging out for the Southern Fried Vegan food truck and eating some food, chilling and enjoying ourselves. Managed to grab a second seltzer, and I've been dying to actually check this out. It looks really good. It's very pretty. It's supposed to have a decent fruit-like flavor. Let's check it out, shall we? Hey everyone, we're back. I really liked the collard greens, and I liked the actual firecracker chicken itself with the sauce and the coleslaw and everything else, but hated that bread. So, and I need something to get that taste out. So, I got our second shot of the day, which is the Coulda Been, which is a seltzer. So, it's very pretty, and with that in mind, cheers! Cheers, friends, cheers! Oh! That is really good. That's a really good shot. I like that. Yes, please. More of that. That is good. Alright, with that in mind, just wanted to get a sip of the shot. I'm going to enjoy my drink, and we're going to move on to the next meal. Later. At long last, what we've all been waiting for, the crown jewel. Holy smokes! The big kahuna, the big chugbunga, the big meal. It's got bread, coleslaw, meats, potatoes, veggies, all sorts of goodies in there, and let me tell you, this meal is loaded to the brim. Just look at this. I shot multiple angles. It's really good. It smelled absolutely fresh. I am really excited to dig into this, and I think you guys will enjoy taking a look at some of the food in depth. This is one of their big crown jewel meals. So, let's see if a Southern Fried Vegan Twist on Barbecue can hold up. Well, hey everybody. We're back for the second meal, which is their Holy Smokes. And let me tell you, it is a lot of food. So we're going to try in each individual thing, because this is essentially their sampler of all the different meats and some of their signature sides. So, let's begin. We're going to start off with their bread. You know, that's not that bread, but maybe good bread. Soak up some of the alcohol a little bit. Hello! Alright, let's take a small bite first. That is some heavenly doughy bread. That's not too wet. That's not too thick. It's not overwhelming. It doesn't constantly fall apart. It's not a overly powered brioche bun. This is just a nice little dinner roll. Next, we have their drumstick. Let's try their drumstick. Oh! Wow! Holy crap, that is a good drumstick. Look at that. For a vegan style, like southern fried barbecue, that is a good drumstick. Man, holy crap. I need more of this, please. More of this. And that picks right off the quote-unquote bone really well. Alright, next, their French fries. That is some good Cajun seasoning on the potatoes, even though they're not potatoes. Really delicious, a good side. Really good earthy taste, but still tastes like French fries. I love it. Now we gotta try their coleslaw. Coleslaw. It's not too wet like a lot of places make coleslaw. It's not constantly dripping with like oils and white sauce and everything else. It is just the right amount of coleslaw, and it's a perfect side to go with this. Alright. Now we gotta try their mac salad, which is basically the macaroni salad. There you go. Let's get a actual bite here. Here we go. There's an actual bite. Let's do it. Ooh. Yeah, no, their macaroni salad is fire. Well seasoned, well dressed. Not too heavy on the noodles. This is actually really good. That is good. Now, I also got their barbecued beans, which we gotta try that. Their barbecued beans, or beans. Oh. I'll spill on the table. That is a rich, smoky, not too overwhelming, but slightly tangy barbecue bean flavor. I was not expecting a bit of a tangy, smoky flavor to it. Just smoke. Man, this is a good dinner. This is a good dinner. And finally, the meat. So with that, if you all don't mind, I got dinner to eat. See y'all later. As the night was starting to wind down and everything was coming to a close, sometimes you gotta take a moment in life to just appreciate the atmosphere, the weather, and the vibes that come along with it. And that's what this whole episode was about. It was going out and doing something fun, but atmospherically relaxing. We took some time to take some wonderful photography and photos, which I think came out really good, to be honest. And we got to meet some new people, enjoy some new experiences, and just chill out during the summer. And it was a beautiful day indeed. Now, a couple people from the Southern Fried Vegan food truck and some of the locals said that I had to get the Cajun po' boy, but I'm gonna be honest, I didn't wind up getting it. I just thought it looked okay. They said that the flavors were decent, but if I want a good po' boy, I know a lot of other places that I can easily get one. But regardless, the night was winding down. Everyone had a chance to just unwind, sit by the bar, eat some food, have some drinks. And you know what? Nothing's Left Brewery is a nice little pocket end of the universe. It's cozy and tucked away. It's highly recommended, and I definitely would check it out again. And I definitely enjoyed my time with the Southern Fried Vegan food truck that was here all the way from California. They had some good food, so much so that I may have splurged on a little more food. It's not much, but I got their basically like their quote-unquote burger or chicken sandwich, and I did get their cheesy tots as well too. So I was kind of curious because I had a little cash left over, and I thought, what the heck, why not? This is my review of it, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey everybody. So, it's funny because, you know, I wasn't even planning on getting these extra items, but I wound up having such a good time at the event, talking and meeting new people, meeting new friends, that I had to go and at least get these for posterity to try a bite. So, with that in mind, I got the tachos. I had to get them. I had to get the tachos. So, let's try a bite of the tachos. Hello. Out of sheer morbid curiosity, let's try the tachos. They're not bad. They're extra ooey, gooey, cheesy, and delicious. But I can't eat potatoes often, so I'll probably wind up cooking these a bit more with some jalapenos and bell peppers and some other stuff and make something else out of it. But for basic tachos, they're not bad. But that's not why you're also here. I said I wasn't going to get it, but I wound up getting it anyways. Simply because I got it without the bun, and I was like, what the heck? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, because I had to get it. The beer battered Beyond Meat half-pound burger. I had to try it. I guess we'll have a potato chip first. Yeah, it's a potato chip. And that's just their coleslaw from earlier, so. But let's try the Ding Dang burger real quick and see how it is. So I'm rather curious. Hello. I just got home, by the way, too, so. It's a Beyond Beef Patty. And I actually like Beyond Burgers. Like, Beyond Burgers actually taste pretty good. I know I'm kind of the weird one. I do actually like them. They do have a good flavor. But, you know, when you beer batter something like this and then throw cheese on it and other stuff, it just kind of ruins the point of a Beyond Beef Patty. Because the whole point is the Beyond Beef Patties are supposed to be healthier and a safer alternative. So when you do something like this, I feel like it just kind of devalues the whole point, so to speak. But that's just me. So, but we're going to try it. Because screw it. You see it? You see it? You see this? There you go. Alright. With that in mind, cheers. I don't hate it. It's good. I'm pleasantly surprised. Like I say, I like Beyond Beef burgers already. And, you know, I already liked them to begin with, even without them, you know, being from a place. But the beer batter and the cheese and stuff and all that sauce, it just, that's what kind of threw me through a loop a little bit. But here we are. So there we go. Well, guys, that about does it for this very special edition of That's Some Good Eats. It was definitely a fun experience going to a brand new brewery that I've never been to before, getting a couple shots, checking out the environment, you know, checking out the vibe with everything and everybody, and also trying out some really good southern fried vegan food for the most part. I still say that the fire starter or the firecracker sandwich could have done without that brioche bun. And I really hated that bread so much. I didn't even wind up taking another bite of that bread. I wound up removing the bread, scraping off all the goodies off of it. And then I wound up putting that on the chicken patty itself. And I turned it into a fried chicken steak, which that was good. The Holy Smokes plate was really good, and honestly, that was worth the $30. I didn't think it would be worth the $30, but that was worth the $30. And then, obviously, I got the tachos. Tachos are okay. Burgers, decent. So, but yeah, guys, that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. And that was some good eats and drinks too. So, anyhow, later.